Intrinsic posting means that any of the varus or valgus posting that you've asked for is done within the shell. This can be done in the rear foot or in the forefoot. The thing to note about intrinsically posted devices is that they may rock on hard surfaces. However, they will fit really tidy into a narrower heel cup. The other option is an extrinsic posting. Extrinsic means that a piece of EVA is attached to the outside of the device. So that's done in either the rear foot or, if you ask for, the forefoot, and it'll be attached to the bottom. This works as a support post, which means that the device will sit flat on hard surfaces. It's also important to note that you must have an extrinsic rear foot post if you'd like to add a heel lift.